Once in your life you find her, someone that turns your heart around. Next thing you know, you're closing down the town. Wake up and it's still with you, even though you left away across town. Wondering to yourself, hey, what have I found?
When you get close to the moon in New York City,
I know it's crazy,
but it's true. If you come with me the moon in New York City, the best you can do, the best you can do is all the love. As the best impressions, all life has master's choice. So definitely it's just like I'm just a boy, living in a first step at a time, and when it goes it's gone it's time, loving it with something, hell at the pain. When you get close to the moon in New York City,
I know it's crazy, but it's true. If you get caught between the moon and New York City, the best that you can do, the best that you can do is fall in love.
it's crazy, but sugar, it gets to be the beat of New York City. Best you can do, best you can do. When you get close to be the moon of New York City, and it's crazy, yeah, that's true. If you get close to be the moon of New York City, best you can do, best you can